Here is where the stars meet the earth, where an invisible thread separates and connects time, where everything starts and where everything ends. Here is where the horizon begins. But what is the horizon? It's not just a matter of perspective. It's a simple line, a thin one, yet it holds everything. It's a place in our minds where imagination begins and possibility takes shape. And when it comes to our life, the horizon is going beyond space, beyond time, beyond imagination. New higher horizon, beyond what you see.